Hi everyone, my name's Jennifer Venuto. I did my special occasion speech to my sister. To my dearest beloved sister Mia, today is your graduation day from high school. How exciting and memorable this will be for you. I'm sure you're nervous, but just smile and have fun. I was feeling the same way when I graduated high school. I had the feeling of butterflies and also wanting to throw up at the same time. I kept thinking to myself, don't trip on the stage. Don't trip on the stage. Just walk straight. I wanted to express to you how truly proud I am of the woman you have become these past few years. You have grown up so much to become so smart, hardworking, and dedicated to the things you do. I have been honored to watch you grow and to have you as my little sister. You are the best one I could possibly have. I got to watch you graduate from 8th grade. I got to watch you pick the high school of your dreams. I got to watch you go to your first homecoming dance. I also got to watch you get asked to prom and help you even pick out your prom dress. There are so many reasons I am proud of you. You stick to things you know and try harder at the things you don't know. I want you to know you're not alone and you will always have your big sister around. I remember watching you when you were little trying to figure out how to hit a volleyball. Now you're just a complete natural at it. There was a time when you were real little and you tripped up the stairs from the basement of the bakery and had to get stitches on your lip. I felt so bad for you, but you grew out of your clumsiness and you got up on your 2 feet and you kept going. That is, at certain times. You were a tough cookie. You always worked hard to get A's in school and do well in school. A B was never good enough. I know I'm rambling, but I just want you to know that it's okay to spread your wings now and find yourself a bit more. Don't be afraid to chase your dreams. They may turn out to surprise you. Be adventurous, spontaneous, laugh as much as you can. I'm very proud of you, Mia. Congratulations. You did it.